If you want to mirror the screen of your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G and send the screen to other device, then what you need to do is go to Settings. In the settings, choose Connected Devices, and you should be able to find Smart View. This is the app that we can use in order to mirror the screen to other devices. So if you press Continue twice, then you should be able to find, detect, and try to connect with, for example, your TV or anything else, as long as it is compatible with Samsung smartphones. You can also press Trouble Connecting over here in case you have issues, and we have some additional instructions that we can use in order to connect successfully. Ideally, you want to use, for example, the same Wi-Fi network and check if there is an option that allows you to turn on or off receiving the screen on your TV, for example. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.